The FIR is the document that sets India's criminal justice system in motion. And under the new criminal law, you can now file one electronically. Here is your complete guide to filing an FIR under the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. The BNSS replaced the old Code of Criminal Procedure from July 1st, 2024. FIR registration is now governed by Section 173, and the law expressly allows information to be given through electronic means. That single change makes reporting crime more accessible than it has ever been.
An FIR is registered for a cognizable offense, one where police can investigate and arrest without prior court permission. Think theft, robbery, assault, or serious cheating. For non-cognizable offenses, police record the information and refer you to a magistrate. And remember the Supreme Court's ruling in Lalita Kumari versus Government of Uttar Pradesh. If your information discloses a cognizable offense, registration of the FIR is mandatory. The police do not have a choice.
You can give information orally at the police station, where it must be written down, read back to you, and signed by you. Or you can use the electronic route, the e-FIR, through your state police portal or email. One critical rule for e-FIRs: you must sign the information within 3 days for it to count as a validly registered FIR. Miss that window, and your complaint may not stand. What if the crime happened outside the local police station's area? Use a Zero FIR. It is registered without a regular serial number and transferred to the station with jurisdiction. The BNSS gives this concept statutory recognition, which means police cannot turn you away just because the offense happened elsewhere. In serious cases, that speed can preserve crucial evidence. Filing an FIR is completely free, and you are entitled to a free copy of it. Registration should be immediate for a cognizable offense. For offenses punishable with 3 to 7 years, an officer may, with a senior officer's approval, run a limited preliminary inquiry to check whether a prima facie case exists before proceeding.
If an officer refuses to register your FIR, escalate. Send the substance of your complaint in writing to the superintendent of police, who can investigate or direct an investigation. Or approach a judicial magistrate under Section 175 of the BNSS to order registration. Persistent refusal can expose the officer to departmental and legal consequences.
Free, fast, and now electronic. Know your rights, act quickly, and always collect your copy. For more step-by-step legal guides, visit our website and subscribe.